One of the main goals of Discover Humanity is to capture and show our viewers the diversity of countries and cultures. To highlight this diversity, after filming a handful of countries in any part of the world, we shift regions to diversify language, culture and customs. It is for this reason that after completing filming Guatemala, we left the Americas for our first Balkan country, Bulgaria. In Bulgaria, an old friend, Peter, was waiting for us. Peter eagerly offered to be our producer, guide and translator around the country. Despite his overloaded work schedule, Peter found ways to fit everything in. Our journey to discover humanity in Bulgaria started in the capital city of Sofia. Walking around Sofia, we filmed in narrow streets decorated with impressive graffiti, in expansive parks, and with people from all different walks of life. We took the chance not only to speak with and interview many of them, but also to follow along and film in their everyday lives.
Бих искал да изпратя, да кажа на всички по целия свят, ако може да се обичат повече и да бъдат по-добри един към друг.
All the trash, we have no idea what.
Despite some warnings not to visit a local market run by Roma people, our beliefs about equality and respect for all human beings, no matter the common prejudices that divide us, sent us there bright and early. And this unrecommended place turned out to be one of our favourite experiences. This is the coolest market over there.
Всички екстри! Мерси! Мерси! Благодаря! Лъвче млойка!
The market was a fascinating place, full of Soviet-era antiquities and friendly Roma people. It proved to us once more that when you wipe away prejudice, our shared humanity is waiting to be revealed. For thousands of years, the Black Sea coastline in Bulgaria has been a location of life and trade. To this day, many historical sites and towns dot the seaside. Peter hails from the coastal town of Burgas, and driving across the country, we arrived in his hometown to a warm Bulgarian reception from his family. After an engine problem,
We have problems with
Everything.
electronics.
We have
This is
problem
also
with
electronics.
we had to leave the car in Burgas, and in order to continue, Peter's father lent us his.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Same card. White.
Our next stops were the historical towns of Sozopol and Neseba.
Пали пробвай, пали корица. Пали корица. Карма по телефон. Екстра. Си
Живеем първо в мир, което е най-важното в човечеството. Ние трябва да разберем на тая планета, че всички сме еднакви.
Хората просто се обичат, в смисъл да си помагат, да общуват помежду си, без значение от религия, цвят на кожата.
Oggi non mi... Oggi non mi...
see it with a bird smacking it. Our little seagull survived.
Inviting us to experience a more modern and widely popular activity, especially for children, Petya welcomed us into her Dune dance school to film the rehearsals for their first ever flash mob street performance. In addition to filming with her talented students, Petya also shared her message to the rest of the world.
Моето послание е, че е наистина време хората се свързват все повече със себе си, да разбират, да откриват кои са, защото всъщност това ще направи тая промяна, която е необходима на Земята.
One of our goals in Discover Humanity is to film diversity in ways of living and interview people from different backgrounds. And it is for this reason that we travel to a variety of locations in every country, including a big city, small towns, and unique cultural locations. Waving goodbye to the Black Sea, we moved on into the small, beautiful towns of the Rhodopian Mountains. From the sea to the mountains, Bulgarians have something in common: deep-seated warmth and values of welcome and hospitality. Many people joyfully open their homes to us, offering the classic mezeta and rakia.
Другия път, като дойдеш, тогава повече ще му време.
Next time when you come, you have more time to...
Ще ви се караме.
And I'll speak more Bulgarian.
Да.
Тя ще говори повече български.
Тя вече е влезнала с езика.
Our interviews are conducted with people all over the country and have no filters. From successful millionaires to homeless people, we believe that everybody deserves a voice. And especially the people who have never had the chance to be heard, we believe they deserve it even more.
Най-важното хората да се обичат, ако не могат да се обичат, поне да се уважават и да живеят задружно, така един за друг. Това е най-важно.
Bulgaria's dominant religion is Orthodox Christianity, which is deeply connected with the culture, even more so in the rural places. Our filming dates in Bulgaria coincided with Orthodox Easter.
Απ' την άλλη, turn it, again.
So we decided to spend the days of Easter in Momchilovci, a mountain village famous for its esteemed musicians, rich traditions, and unique sour milk drink that is said to be one of the secrets to longevity. Every summer, this yogurt drink brings visitors all the way from China to experience its source. The day before Easter, we joined the locals at the historical central church of Momchilovci, to experience the psalmodies of the holiday, with most of the town's population coming together in the churchyard. Candles, well wishes, and beautiful footage made this unique spiritual moment unforgettable. Momčilovci is known for its talented musicians, many of whom play the traditional bagpipe-like instrument called the gaida. A young gaida player and passionate resident of Momčilovci, Lazar is deeply dedicated to preserving his homeland's heritage and traditions. Climbing into his cousin's lime green USSR-era Lada, we drove up to his favourite lookout above town and filmed while Lazar played his gaida, afterwards conducting his interview right in the very same spot.
Да дават любов на всеки около себе си.
A remarkable man and another memorable moment. An equally dedicated Momčilovci resident is Maria, the owner of the Momčilovci Secret Restaurant, one of only 4 in the town, and the director of the town's tourism association. Showing us how the famous sour milk drink is made, she welcomed us into her restaurant and took us on a gastronomic tour of some famous Bulgarian flavours. As the only foreigners in the village over Easter, we were invited to join the dinner celebration with Lazar and his band playing traditional music until sunrise. By the time we left, we felt less like filmmakers and more like family.
In addition to his exemplary organizational abilities and hard work as our producer for Bulgaria, Peter proved to us once more that the best way to experience any place is with the local people. No matter geography, it is through people that you can discover the depth of a culture's traditions, quirks and qualities. Peter's first-hand knowledge of his country's history and culture helped us to see things that would be impossible to find on the internet or to be arranged by standard tourism and film services. It was through the eyes and the hearts of Bulgarian people that we managed to discover humanity across this beautiful Balkan country.